Who's that? Oh, I'm not ready. Oh my gosh, I'm not ready, guys. I'm glad that I have someone like Miss Liz Taw, one of the best, to help me, finish what us guys aren't always very good at.
So what's
It's super low maintenance, really.
What's the trick?
I don't know. Being kind. She's been very, very. How should I say? Maybe it's women know how to take care of men in a way that you just feel very nurtured. When you're young, you can walk out of bed and you feel like you're ready. But as you age, it helps to maintain. But I play a bad guy, so don't tell anybody that I have to do all this stuff. This is our secret, okay?
We heard you played a bad guy, always, right?
A lot. I don't know why. Maybe these looks tend to lend themselves, exotic as compared to all American or standard European look. So I think.
Shall we expect something special tonight?
I tell you one thing.
Because it's usually very special.
It's my first time seeing the movie tonight.
No way.
Yeah.
So it was like ready last night. Edited.
It was no. Others have seen it. They've screened it elsewhere. I wasn't at the other places. This is my first time at Cannes, also with a film. I've been here once before without a film, visiting. It was beautiful. It's madness when you're here, and especially when you're here with like the biggest movie star in history. Let's think about it. Tom Cruise, Christopher McQuarrie, Paramount Pictures. Yes. It doesn't get any bigger than this.
True. Yeah. Are you coming down from a helicopter tonight, or
are you
driving?
I think that's our hero's entrance, if anything. Man, that phone keeps ringing,
a bell on the door.
It is, but the thing is that, when you make one of these movies, everyone in your life sees the commercials, and all of a sudden everyone checks in.
Yeah.
Do you know? All your friends. It's like, hey, how you doing? Are you in town? Or, I just saw you in this or that. So it's really sweet to hear from people that you may not always hear from.
Yeah. We're from FashionTV. We're about fashion. You're wearing black. Smoke.
I'm wearing, I like fashion. I'm not as good at it as some of the other cast members that are amazing, But I will tell you, I was fortunate enough to have help, to have a young lady who just, Paige. Paige, what's Paige's last name? Yes, Paige Duran, right? Amazing. But she and I became friends, and in one day, we're able to pull 7 outfits together.
7 outfits in one day?
In one day. And it was a miracle because, the Met Gala, there were so many other things, and, we were kind of last minute, and some other places, it didn't help, or they were, they weren't available. I think
now girls are going crazy when you're doing the cream.
Oh, you're so kind.
Part.
I'm going crazy. She's healing hands, though. I'm serious.
This was a nice shot for...
No, let me tell you something. My
favorite
part of this was she does my neck and shoulders, and all of a sudden, I can relax, because you get tense. I'm reading scripts, I'm answering texts, I'm checking emails. We're responding to things, and it's nice to just stop and breathe. And she's, Liz will tell you, take it all in, and then when she does my shoulders, I practically pass out, and I just love it. So when you get your hair done and they massage.
It's always you taking care?
Well, we just met a few days ago in London.
Fast friends.
Fast friends. So we got to know each other really well, really fast.
No, but seriously, I'm not exaggerating.
Yeah, I see. It's the first time I see we're always doing glam filming. It's the first time we're... Because it's really important for men, I guess, to
more
have
important.
Natural skin and to show...
You don't want to look like a newsreader, so you want the skin to look as great as it, as it can naturally, I think. So, I'm more about getting the circulation going, getting some good skincare in, and also really look as good as you feel, I think.
Did you get a good sleep before?
Not good enough. The time zone difference doesn't help, but I got enough, you after these things is when you sleep. After, when you can, you don't have something to do right away. But, look at this.
So we fake it with a little bit of
I'm pampered, you know. It feels like
so how it
criminal.
Is, movie cast, main movie cast. You go all together like one car after another. It's like
it's
whole.
It's like a military operation. You know, the security.
It's behind the hotel, right?
Yeah,
Usually?
and they tell you where you're going to go, who's going with you, you know, when to come out of the car, when not to. I mean, everything's very well orchestrated, and it's like a well-oiled machine. I mean, these guys have been doing it for decades. You know.
Once you're ready, do you mind we film you till you go to the car?
I guess so. I guess we can do that. Yeah. It's. I've never done this before. I figure, you know what? Why not? Why not?
Thank you so much. We'll send everything.